people were inside the plane who hijacked it?
No.
So how did it happen?
We set the plane down.
So how many human beings were organizing this affair?
8.
8 people.
Yes.
Magicians and scientists?
Yes.
And you made it disappear and took it somewhere in America.
Yes,
Is that?
they came and they take the plane, put it on the ground.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. We are going to catch inshallah for the Malaysian flight that has disappeared some 3 years ago. It has disappeared in March 2014. So the flight called MH370. And researchers have been going from many countries, Australia of course, China of course, because it was going from Australia to China, but also from Malaysia, excuse me, to China, but also Australia has helped, America has helped, India, and after over 1,000 days, so from March 2014 up till January 2017, they stopped the research. And they find nothing, no sign. And the report says this is inconceivable. It is inconceivable how this thing can happen. Now there's many theories. We don't want to talk about theories. We just want to talk about facts. And we're going to do the jinn catching to see on the jinn side what information can we have. Maybe it is nothing. They say the plane just fell in the water and that's it. Maybe there's something more complicated behind. We will see inshallah. And some people put it together with 7 other planes that vanished, etc. Allahu A'lam. Anyway, we'll get inshallah the jinns that have a link with this airplane that disappeared and see what's going to happen inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن وليي الله الذي نزل الكتاب وهو يتولى الصالحين أينما تكونوا يأتي بكم الله جميعا إن الله على كل شيء قدير أينما تكونوا يأتي بكم الله جميعا إن الله على كل شيء قدير أينما تكونوا يأتي بكم الله جميعا إن الله على كل شيء قدير. Hello. You have a link with this airplane that disappeared?
Yes.
So explain to us, what is your link?
No.
No?
It's a very big link.
Very big link?
Yes.
So what is it?
No.
You can't say it.
We are bound.
You are attached.
Bound.
Okay, let's help you inshallah. أولم يرى الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما 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 وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حين فلا يؤمنون. What's happening?
We're attached and bound.
وقدمنا إلى ما عملوا من عمل فجعلناه هباء منثورا وينزل عليكم من السماء ماء ليطهركم به ويذهب عنكم رجز الشيطان وليربط على قلوبكم ويثبت به الأقدام فأتى الله بنيانهم من القواعد فخر عليهم السقف من فوقهم وأتاهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون براءة من الله ورسوله إلى الذين عاهدتم من المشركين قل إن صلاتي ونسكي ومحياي ومماتي لله رب العالمين لا شريك له وبذلك أمرت أنا أول المسلمين وقدمنا إلى ما عملوا من عمل فجعلناه هباء منثورا وينزل عليكم من السماء ماء ليطهركم به ويذهب عنكم رجس الشيطان. Oh, you are Illuminatis. You are shayateen? Can you speak now?
Yes.
Okay, tell us what happened to the serpent. So what can you say? You just can't speak.
Secret.
It's a secret. يوم تبلى السرائر 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 يوم تبلى السرائر. الحمد لله الذي أنزل على عبده الكتاب ولم يجعل له عوجا قيما لينذر بأسا شديدا من لدنه ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا حسنا ماكثين فيه أبدا وينذر الذين قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا ما لهم به من علم ولا لآبائهم كبرت كلمة تخرج من أفواههم إن يقولون إلا كذبا فلعلك باخع نفسك على آثارهم إن لم يؤمنوا بهذا الحديث أسفا. Yes, what's happening?
Okay.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We have the sacrifice.
You have the sacrifice.
Yes.
Those people in the plane have been sacrificed. Yes?
Yes. Yes.
So what happened exactly?
We have the sacrifice in the water.
Oh, they were sacrificed for you in the water.
Yes.
But where's the plane?
It's gone.
In the water?
No.
Where?
It's in America.
It's in America.
Yes.
So the plane has been hijacked.
Yes.
And they have a technology to hijack the planes without being able to find any sign of the plane.
It's under the earth, the compound.
Say again?
Under the earth, the compound.
There's a compound under the earth.
Yes.
So the airplane is somewhere underground in America.
Yes.
So another plane came to hijack it?
No.
How? The people were inside the plane who hijacked it?
No.
So how did it happen?
We took the plane down.
The jinns took the plane.
Yes.
The jinns took the plane
Yes.
without any human being interfering.
Yes.
Subhanallah. And you made it disappear and took it somewhere in America.
Yes,
Is that?
they came and they took the plane and put it on the ground.
They came, they took the plane, they put it underground. Is that human or jinns?
The human.
So where did you put the plane? Under the water?
In the water, we take it down.
Oh, the jinns, you put the plane down in the water?
Yes.
And some people were ready to take the plane
Yes.
and take it to America.
Yes.
And the plane did not smash, did not break.
No.
It came in the water, it stayed entire.
We carry
You took it
water.
in the water. And all the people inside the plane,
Sacrifice. Sacrifice.
so it is the humans who killed them.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
The people took the plane with the people inside,
Yes.
all entire, and they killed all the people inside the plane.
Yes. Yes.
And the plane is somewhere underground in the United States.
Yes. Arizona.
In Arizona?
Yes.
Okay. In the desert.
Yes.
Okay. what was your work in this precisely?
We take the sacrifice.
Oh, you were there when they killed the people?
Yes.
That is for you.
Yes.
And what do you do with this sacrifice?
We work for them.
You work for those people?
Yes.
And who are those people?
The higher.
The I.
High people.
They're high people.
High people. The high people.
They're high people.
Yes.
And they're on the sacrifice for what?
To finish. We finish.
To finish what? Huh?
We have one.
You have one.
Yes.
To finish.
Take everybody, only one.
One is kept alive?
One.
Huh?
No.
No. What?
We take the sacrifice, make everybody one. All the human one.
Take the sacrifice, make all the human one.
Yes.
Same mind? Same what? Same feeling? Same belief?
Yes. Yes.
So it is to prepare the coming of Dajjal.
Yes.
But why do they need to take an airplane? Why don't they take normal people? There's so many people dying in the wars everywhere. It is very easy. So many people travel in boats. The sea, you can take people, migrants. Why not take easier thing? Why take an airplane?
So we have the sacrifice in the water.
Okay. Do you accept to become Muslim?
I leave everything.
Yes, Allah will give you better than everything you're going to leave. وكان حقا علينا نصر المؤمنين 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 وكان حقا علينا نصر. Okay, make shahada. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How are you feeling now? Good.
Yes.
Okay, let's get all the other jinns. Let's get all the other jinns that have a link with this story of this airplane. فكشفنا عنك غطاءك فبصرك اليوم حادد يقلب الله الليل والنهار إن في ذلك العبرة لأولي الأبصار إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها كما أنك أوحى لها يومئذ يصدر الناس اشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره. Come on, make sure everybody. حرمت عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير لغير الله به حرمت عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير لغير الله به حرمت عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير لغير الله به. Yes? You're surprised?
Yes.
Where did you come from?
I come from the water.
Why
you call me?
I called you. Do you have a link with that airplane that was brought down in the water?
Yes.
So you guys brought the airplane down in the water smoothly without smashing it?
Yes.
And without all the machines in the airplane understanding what's happening?
Yes.
Very good work. Did the humans teach you how to do that?
Yes.
They trained you on doing that, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Is that the eye? Or which one is that?
Freemasons.
Oh, Freemasons. Is it Freemasons?
Illuminati.
Or Illuminatis? Speak. Are you afraid? It is the Dajjal sign.
Stay away.
I stay away?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, I'll let you kill people, kidnap people, do everything. I keep staying away of that. Is that right?
You stay away.
Otherwise, what happens?
Finish you.
You'll finish me. Like you finished all those people in that airplane?
Yes.
Okay. You know Iblis? Does that mean yes? You know him?
Yes.
Okay, he wants to speak to you. وقال الشيطان لما قضي الأمر إن الله وعدكم وعد الحق ووعدتكم فأخلفتكم وما كان لي عليكم من سلطان إلا أن دعوتكم فاستجبتم لي فلا تلوموني ولوموا أنفسكم ما أنا بمصرخكم وما أنتم بمصرخي إني كفرت بما أشركتموني من قبل إن الظالمين لهم عذاب أليم وإذ قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس كان من الجن ففسق عن أمر ربه أفتتخذونه وذريته أولياء من دوني وهم لكم عدو بئس للظالمين بدلا ما أشهدتهم خلق السماوات والأرض ولا خلق أنفسهم وما كنت متخذ المضلين عضدا. Come on, make shahada. You accept to make shahada? Go ahead. Allah nuru samawati wal ard. 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 What is it?
It's beautiful.
Alhamdulillah. What do you see?
Beautiful.
Yes? What is beautiful?
The light.
MashaAllah.
Light.
Okay, let's get all the other jinns that...
From black to white.
You go from black to white. That is Iman. MashaAllah. الله ولي الذين آمنوا يخرجهم من الظلمات إلى النور. الله ولي الذين آمنوا يخرجهم من الظلمات إلى النور. الله ولي الذين آمنوا يخرجهم من الظلمات إلى النور.
All white.
They all have come?
Yes.
All the other jinns in the sea?
Yes.
That all the other jinns of the sacrifice of all those passengers of the airplane? Everybody's alright.
Yes.
Okay. So how many human beings were organizing this affair?
8.
8 people.
Yes.
Magicians and scientifics?
Yes.
Okay. So these 8 people, they're all in America.
Yes.
Let's get all the jinns that are with them. فكشفنا عنك غطاءك فبصرك اليوم حديد يقلب الله الليل والنهار إن في ذلك العبرات لأولي الأبصار أينما تكونوا يأتي بكم الله جميعا إن الله على كل شيء قدير أينما تكونوا يأتي بكم الله جميعا إن الله على كل شيء قدير أينما تكونوا يأتي بكم الله جميعا إن الله على كل شيء قدير. Hello. Welcome.
Hello.
Are you afraid?
No.
You're surprised?
Yes.
Yes. Where'd you come from? America?
Yes.
California?
Okay.
Nevada?
Okay.
Okay, you become Muslim?
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. You have understood.
Okay.
Yeah, make shahada.
Okay.
الله نور السماوات والأرض 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 الله نور. Huh?
All white.
All of you are white?
White.
All those people that have organized the hijacking of this airplane, they all have become, their jinns have become white?
Yes.
Okay. You know more jinns working for the Jacques to prepare the Jal everywhere?
Yes.
Yeah, let's call them all. Everywhere. You are everywhere. Uh-huh. What do they do everywhere?
Everywhere.
Yes. What are they doing everywhere?
Kill the people.
Huh?
We people.
Subhanallah, you kill the people.
Yes.
In Iraq, in Syria.
Yes. Oh, the Muslim.
Oh, you kill the
Oh,
Muslims.
the Muslim.
The Rohingya, Burma.
They love the Muslim sacrifice.
They love the Muslim
They love the
sacrifice.
Muslim sacrifice.
So everywhere the jinns are pushing to create wars to kill the Muslims.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's get all these jinns of Illuminati everywhere that like sacrifices of Muslims. حرمت عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير من غير الله به. حرمت عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير من غير الله به. حرمت عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير من غير الله به. حرمت عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير من غير الله به. إنا فتحنا لك فتحا مبينا. 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 Everybody's here? You don't want to become Muslim?
No.
Who are you? Who are you?
I'm the chief.
Are you the chief of all the jinn that get Muslims to be killed everywhere in the world?
Yes.
Where are you based?
In the water.
Are you based in the water?
Yes.
In Bermuda Triangle? No? Is it in Bermuda Triangle?
Do not ask me. Do not ask me.
So that means yes. Okay.
We are many.
Yes?
Many. Too many for you.
Okay, let's get all your friends, so you'll be too many for me, okay? أولم يرى الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما